Friends, I am Krishna Mohan Manchikalpati. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Krish Talks 18. Today, let us know about the incredible victory by NDA in 2025 Assembly elections in Bihar. NDA has created sensation and history by winning 202 Assembly seats out of 243 in 2025 Assembly elections in Bihar. BJP, led by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and JP Nadda ji, has won 89 seats, thus emerged as the single largest party. JDU, led by Nitish Kumar ji, has won 85 assembly seats, and Lok Janshakti Party, led by Sri Chirag Paswan ji, has won 19 assembly seats. And other NDA alliances parties, that is HAM, has won 5 seats, and RLM has won 4 assembly seats. And Mahagathbandhan, led by Tejasvi Yadav, won 35 assembly seats. That is, RJD has won 25 seats only, and Congress party has won only 6 seats. And Jan Suraj party, led by Prashant Kishore, which has contested in 243 assembly constituencies, has failed and did not win single assembly seat. The more hype has created by media for Prashant Kishore party, but Prashant Kishore party, Jan Suraj party did not win single assembly seat. It was unsuccessful. Let us further know about the more insights about the NDA victory. Utmost coordination and cooperation among NDA parties, that is BJP, led by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and JP Nadda ji, and JDU, led by Nitish Kumar ji, and Hindustani Awam Morcha party, led by Jitan Ram Manji, and Rashtriya Lok Morcha party, led by Upendra Kushwaha ji, have effectively conveyed about the development happening in Bihar, and further development is going to be happen in Bihar. They have effectively promoted their party manifesto, and they have been successful. Thus, NDA has created history as they have won 2002 assembly seats. Now, other factors contributed to NDA victory. Let us further elaborate on this. That is the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana. This cash scheme has another key factor for NDA's victory. That is, as per this scheme, 10K will be, that is 10,000 rupees has directly transferred to women's bank accounts to promote self-employment as well as